Is your TV stuck in the past? Like, really stuck? Just sitting there in one place? All the time? Bring your TV viewing experience to the next level with a mounted TV mount. Our TV mount with extra long extension is extremely versatile. You can adjust your TV to multiple positions to watch your favorite shows from a variety of locations. Tilt, swivel, extend, and retract for the perfect view from anywhere. Extending up to 40 inches, this mount has the longest arm on the market. Even when fully extended, it allows for a 90-degree swivel to the left or right. That's a full 180 degrees. You can tilt the screen up and down and even adjust your screen level. The sturdy dual-arm construction can support TVs weighing up to 110 pounds and screens up to 80 inches. That's pretty big. The old way of watching TV? That's a thing of the past.
This is the SANUS Simplicity.